going to try this again. I just did it, and as I've told everybody, I am new to all of this, doing videos and stuff. Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Kathryn Kay with KK Treasure Store from eBay. This is Kathryn with KK Treasure Store from eBay. Hello everyone, it's Kathryn Kay from KK Treasure Store off of eBay. Kathryn, back for part 2 of the unbagging of... Hello everyone, it's Kathryn Kay with KK Treasure Store from eBay. And guess what time it is? It's finished jewelry time. If you're new to my channel and would like, please consider subscribing to help me grow my channel. And I apologize again for taking so long. Hopefully before long I'll be able to get a camera. I don't know when. First, let me say welcome. If you're new to the channel, please stick around, see what you like, see if you like me or not. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to help me grow my channel, as well as including your information in the comments if you have a YouTube channel so that we can visit you. There's that one, and here's this one, the little cat. Those are cute. And alright, let me get it up here so that you can kind of see what this looks like. Green, similar to those brown ones we saw a while ago. Oops. Is that something written there? Hang on, I'm gonna look. Yes, Monet. It's upside down, but it's a Monet pair that I actually liked the most out of all of them. And as you can see, it's got a lot of different colors in there and various beads from various strings. And it's something different with the earrings, and I did these. So, Kelly, thank you. I enjoyed my Christmas present. It's something, those of you that are used to me know that every now and then I'll buy from an eBay seller just to help promote others on eBay. And if you have a YouTube channel that you would like to share the information with us, please do so in the comments. I like to try and support other YouTubers. Is this supposed to be a bell, or is it an angel? You tell me, bell or angel? I don't know. So there it is. So anyway, thank you. I hope you enjoy. Let me know which piece you liked the best. And I am going to show you a friend mail that I got. Wendy sent what I thought she said was going to be 2 or 3 things, and it instead ended up to be this big box of goodies, and I am so happy to receive them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You see those? Some dragonflies. Those, and those are so cute. Again, copper or bronze. Wendy, when you started labeling things for me, you didn't realize I was colorblind, huh? And I didn't realize I was colorblind. Let me tell you, the copper and bronze seems to be the only 2 things that I have trouble distinguishing the difference in, and why, I don't know. But I'm learning. You got to remember, I haven't been in this even a year yet. And there's just things that I'm learning, I'm seeing, I'm liking, I'm disliking, I'm wondering if I can do this again, or if I can do that. I haven't even mastered wire wrapping yet, okay? So I'm still learning. And the rhinestone, I mean, this focal is just beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, Louisa, I did components. I did components. Between Gina and Louisa, I want you both to know I did components. You got to be proud of me. I actually did some components and put them together. All right, here we go. And that lone little bead is no longer lonely. Okay. There we go. Red, white, and blue.
Now, it took some doing for me to get all of this together. It even took some doing for me to get it even on here. And it evidently is going to take some doing for me to get it to show right. If you have a channel, YouTube channel of your own, please list it down in the comment section so that we might visit you as well. Our challenge. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a beader or just a eBayer or reseller or whatever. Anyway, I'm calling it the Beading Community Helping Others Challenge. Okay, and here's what you do. You go online. It doesn't matter which platform you searched, eBay, Amazon, Goodwill, Shop. Give a shout out for the person you bought from. Okay, letting people know that we care. Other people need to know we care. Let's help each other know that we care and we are backing them. We're there for them. I do want to say that I hope everyone is taking good care of themselves and their family, and that everyone is healthy and happy, dealing with all of this mess that we are all in together. I appreciate you and every one of you. Thank you. I do appreciate each and every one of you. So, everyone, you're most appreciated. Thank you for staying, for watching. I will see you all in another video. Have a blessed and healthy day, week, month, year, lifetime, and a long lifetime, I do pray. See you next video. Bye.